What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on the 84 Corvette 1984 Crossfire injection. This was my dad's car for like over 21 years already, and he kept it clean. He passed it down to me. He got himself a 04 Z06. Has a 4+3 Dougie Nash. Dougie. So like I said, this was my dad's car for a long time. Passed it on to me. Runs good. He always kept up with it. He takes care of his cars. But since '84, they never changed the gaskets on the throttle body. Service them. So I'm gonna do that now. I bought the kit on eBay for like $50. And believe it or not, this is a really fun car. I've driven this one, taken it to the track. Still think this is much funner. I guess maybe what they say, slower cars are funner for some reason, because you can push them harder. But already loosen these up. I'm gonna take this air cleaner off, and then take off the throttle bodies and go through them, clean them up real good. Well, this thing also has nitrous, set up for nitrous. My dad put that on, so it's pretty cool. That's why I haven't got rid of that Crossfire either, because pretty cool little old school setup. You don't see a lot of those nitrous setups anymore. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off and then we'll get to it. All right, the infamous Crossfire. So you take these off. These are 10 millimeters. Bam, bam. That, you take off this right here, just like so. I'm gonna disconnect the nitrous lamp right now. Ever since my dad had this car, it ran good. So a lot of people knock it. They don't even know on a Crossfire. Same thing with the LT1s here. They say they're bad. The Opti sparks are fucking horrible. I went and bought the car like 6-7 years ago. On that LT1, I changed the Opti spark ball one from AutoZone, like their last gold one. It's been good ever since. So I never had any problems. That one too. So they're both in polish, 94 and 95. Fuck. Anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna take these off. So I think, which one is it? Is it this one or this one? That controls the throttle, I believe. Because another problem I have is the throttle gets stuck and the linkage is good. But see how they don't come down as much because they should? See, if I send out my hand, it goes down. See it? So I think it's computer controlled, I believe so, because those all have been greased up and everything. They're still, it's twitchy. So I'm gonna clean sensors out too before I replace them, just because GM sensors are better than the eBay or AutoZone stuff. And then that's the issue. I'll drive around a little bit and then eventually buy good ones. Try to get AC Delco, whatever the OEM requires. And then I'm probably gonna change all these vacuum lines, because the Crossfires just depend a lot on the vacuum line. So if you have a bad vacuum line, I'll run rough. But I mean, it's pretty simple. It's definitely easier to fix this and going back to carbureted. So, because you lose your cruise control and all that stuff, just might as well just leave it as it is. So, alright then, let's get to it. Alright, so one of the symptoms I was having when I was driving the car, it would feel like I would have low fuel pressure or like a lack of fuel. So it would like stumble on the freeway. So I'm thinking this may have been my problem. There's a socket in here. That would probably explain it. We'll see. Alright, I went through both throttle bodies for the 84 Crossfire Corvettes, and they're all done. Time to throw them on. They weren't that bad. I mean, it was just, I was just taking one off at a time, rebuilding one at a time, going through it, and then work on the second one, and just pay attention. I mean, the other thing was the thing that takes most was just cleaning it. That's the thing. Once you have it all taken apart, it takes time. I use this, so brass wire brush, and that helped a lot. And a couple cans of carb cleaner, and that was pretty good. This throttle body wasn't as bad, but this one was really bad. The diaphragm was all corroded, as you can see there. It's all junk. And then the filter for the injector was, as soon as I tried taking it off, it just snapped off. It broke in half. It was all clogged up. So, I mean, when they say the Crossfires are like crap, but I mean, how old is it? It's 84, so I mean, what can you expect if you don't take care of it, maintenance? So, my dad had the car for like 20 years, he's never changed them, but then again, the car really never ran bad on him either. But I just did it, it's been a long time, so I might as well do it now. And the next thing, the idle air control valves, these are the ones that just control the throttle body electronically. It allow air in and flow. So I cleaned those up. Those are original GM ones, AC Delco ones. So I just cleaned those up. I think they're better than the eBay ones, the China one, than AutoZone. I trust these more, even though they're old. I just went ahead and clean them up. If they don't work, then I'll go ahead and buy some new AC Delco ones. But I just want to see what it does. I mean, like I said, just take your time. The kit I got was from eBay. It was $50. This one right here, and it was pretty good quality. And I just gotta finish putting this is the base, and it comes with everything. So this is for that's about it. I mean, it even comes with the extra clips, just in case you lose any. So let's go throw these on. Alright, they're all put together. Should turn on. The only thing is that little clip right here broke off, so I'm about to order those brand new. I'm just gonna see what it does right now, and then I'll put it back together. I'm also gonna change this gasket too right here for the water nip while I'm at it. Let's see what it does. Neutral. Fuel pump. Off. Fuel pump. Ugh. Oh, that's stuck. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, she's all done, running good.